Moini Foundation School Transformation Program is improving educational quality. Moini Foundation School Transformation Program. Schools are the most prevalent vehicle for structuring student learning, and improving on the current model of the school structure has always been a difficulty. As a result, we are driven to provide large-scale, one-of-a-kind solutions. As the educational system evolves, schools must also undergo a transformation. One of the alternatives for improving the learning ecosystem in government and government-aided schools in the School Transformation Program, which was initiated by Moini Foundation under the umbrella of Project Utkarsh. Access to smart classrooms as part of the School Transformation Program. The Moini Foundation, created in 2012, is a non-profit organization that works with government agencies, educational institutions, schools, colleges and universities, and local communities to improve education through technical and social innovations. Access to smart classrooms as part of the School Transformation Program. The Moini Foundation, created in 2012, is a non-profit organization that works with government agencies, educational institutions, schools, colleges and universities, and local communities to improve education through technical and social innovations. The School Transformation Initiative is a one-of-a-kind intervention program that attempts to improve infrastructure and develop an innovative learning environment in present government-aided schools. Initiatives have evolved the program to have a multidimensional impact on the learning structure in government schools and to ensure that it can self-sustain when the changeover comes. The program has identified three main pillars on which it will focus its efforts. Learning in a joyful and activity-based environment. Innovative and engaging intervention in the smart learning ecosystem. The program helps schools enhance their infrastructure in areas including ICT laboratories, bathrooms, water facilities, libraries, plantations, and civil upgrades. The software also assists schools in establishing an innovative learning ecosystem around skill imparting, hands-on activities, exposure to the best learning content, motivation, social and soft skills, and other practices with the aid of offline content server, school in a box, and tinkering kits. The program also emphasizes trainers' ongoing participation in capacity building. Smart class activities. In the revitalized ICT laboratories, smart class activities are held on a regular basis. Teachers will be able to assign learning activities and assessments to students, as well as track their progress at various levels. This system can be linked to the school's online quiz academy settings via a teacher app, allowing students to benefit from both the offline and online worlds. Robotics and do-it-yourself projects. Tinkering kits. Every school receives a customized tinkering kit to help them create a creative, do-it-yourself tinkering room that promotes learning by doing. In government schools, there has been an improvement in the quality of education. Some of the impacts created by the initiative. ICT Lab Revival. Team members visit schools to assess and identify the voids in ICT labs. The required work is done to resuscitate ICT labs for students based on the inspection data gathered. Offline Knowledge Server contains some of the greatest learning content from all over the world, such as science and math simulations, visual programming tools, typing tutor tool, curiosity-based TED movies, concept-based interactive learning, and so on. Green School. Environmental and sanitation-related activities and seminars are held regularly. The emphasis is to give rise to every kid conscious of the implication of hygiene, the climate, and neighborhood service. Starting in 2019, the project will be implemented in 97 schools in 5 major Indian states: Karnataka, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Rajasthan, and Bihar, benefiting over 40,000 children annually. Improvements in attendance, student participation, academic performance, scientific temperaments, and physical activities have all been reported as a result of the program. Moini Foundation has worked with nearly 1,800 government schools and 184 distant and poor areas in 22 districts across 11 states in the previous 9 years. Through our many intervention programs and solutions, we have reached over 7,500,000 kids and 13,000 teachers. Since June 2020, the Foundation's domain scope has been expanded to include other sectors such as health and rural development.